Hi guys, how are we? Hope you're good. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, A Life of Amy. You know what to do. Go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please click on the notification bell so whenever you get notification when I post similar videos like this. Go and like. Don't pass this video without clicking on the like button. Comment. I need your opinion. Let me know what you think. If you have other video suggestions that you want me to run for you, get in touch with me and I'll be in the comment section every step of the way. And don't forget to share my videos. Thank you guys. So yes, today we're going to be talking about how to give your man head, how to make him go crazy, a little bit of dominance and all that. For we ladies, yes. So, but this is what I'm gonna tell you. I'm not really a professional expert in this, but this is me telling you from me, okay, that most time it is okay, sometimes it is okay. Men love it when you take over, take charge. Just give him a little drama, come out from your shell, and then spice up the juice. Okay, so yes, I'm going to be giving us tips on how to start. And remember, this video is strictly for beginners, so this is a beginner's guide. If you are new, you've not done it before, you don't know how to go about it, you are in the right place, because I'm going to teach you what you need to know about how to give your man head. So let's get started. So the first I'm going to talk to us is the warm-up. Why am I calling it the warm-up? Because there's always a starting point. This is how you start up something, initiate something that you have in mind you want to do. So what do I mean by the warm up? Pull him close and then kiss him. Initiate a kiss. Touch him. This is the time you touch him at the right location. Make good use of your hands. Kiss him. Bring him closer to you. You can go closer to him. Kiss him. Okay, don't be too hard, be very soft, so that at the course of doing what you're doing, you're still able to pass a certain message across. Okay, so you just do it kindly, you do it quietly, you kiss him, you touch him, you nibble his lower lip, get to his lower lip, and then take over from there. So the second I'm going to talk to us about is dominance. There is need for you to bring forth your dominance. Okay, bring that energy, take over, lead the way, come out from your shell. Don't be too careful. Remember, I always tell you, yes, sometimes remember to take the lead. It is okay for you to take. Men love it when you're crazy. Men love it when you bring what you have. Bring those sexiness. Okay, so just take it up from there. Dominance. So when I say dominance, what do I mean? Initiate whatever you want. See, when you want something from a person, you go forth and get it. And then when you want to give your partner a certain pleasure, remember I keep telling you, sex is an intentional act. You do it because you want to do it. You do it for mutual pleasure. You do it for mutual understanding. It's not one-sided. Okay, so yes, take the lead. Come out from your shell. Do what you're supposed to do. Go close to him, touch him, kiss him, get to his earlobe. Okay, touch him very soft, walk down to his nipples, take it down. I'm telling you gently, so that because everything you do, you're able to pass a certain message across. So then just go slowly and then come up to his lip and then just kiss his lower lip. You're passing the message across. Everything is not gra gra. We're not fighting. So calm down. Yes. So when you do that, you go down below, then get to his pants. Okay. Remove those belts. We don't need it. What is he doing there? Yeah. So this is what we do. A little practical. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So then the next I'm going to talk to us about is, don't forget the golden tape. So yes, but in this video, I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about, how to do this thing and do it well. So this is leading me to bring in my, all right, I'm going to be working with this. Yes, this is cucumber. So this is the closest that I can find around me to walk you guys through this journey. So please bear with me. So yes, we're going to use cucumber. So when I said don't forget the golden tip, there's always the golden tip. Now, let me tell you the secret that we don't know. You know, one thing with the penis is that the most sensitive part of it is the tip. Yes, the tip is the sensitive part of it. So when you feel you want to give your man head, most time we so focus on the body, you focus on the shaft, and then you forget the tip. The tip is where the stimulation comes from. The tip is the most sensitive part. Just the tip alone, you've gotten this man exactly where you want to get him, and you keep him exactly where you want to keep him at that point in time. So yes, why am I saying anything? When you uncrook his belt, take off his pants, then go down, touch him a little bit, initiate these things. Okay, because when you go down, kissing him, touching him a certain way, romancing him. Now, let me tell you the information you're passing across. You're telling him exactly what you want. This is you giving him a hint of this is what I want at this point, and he gets you. So he just wants you, he's welcoming, telling you, go ahead. I need to see what you bring to the table. Show me what you can do. Okay, so then this is you going all the way. When you unhook his belt, so you just take it, get to his penis, hold it. Don't be too tight, very gentle, gently squeeze it. It is very fine. It is okay. Bring out your confidence. Take over. This is your time. Don't ruin the moment. So you hold it, stroke it up and down. You see what I'm doing? You stroke it up and down all the way. You don't do it, don't be too hard, don't be rough. No. Just gently stroke it up and down. Okay, so you touch the tip. You see what I'm doing? You touch the tip. And then remember, eye contact is everything. Once you're doing this, being able to give eye contact is okay, depending on the position that you guys are doing it. Okay, but though we will not go too deep because this is basically for beginners. So go to his tip. Remember to make eye contact, okay? Um, and then you're touching him. Then the next you're gonna do, you go deeper. Take one step at a time. Don't rush it. Relax. Be very comfortable. And remember, don't do what is not okay for you because as a beginner, the first is not going to be that sweet for you. It's going to sound somehow and it's going to look somehow. Okay, so yes, do what you are comfortable doing at every point in time. Don't rush yourself. You are not in any pressure from anyone. So yes, get to the tip. Then just do it slowly. Don't be rough. Don't bite him. Okay? So go deeper. You see what I'm doing. So the next I'm going to talk to us about is don't forget the balls. Yes. Now let me share the secret with you. See, when you are sucking the rod, you can still squeeze the ball. Just go ahead and touch the balls. Touch him, squeeze gently. Now let me tell you this. This level of intimacy, it takes men to a different level. Is on the edge, is on the cliff, is the height of it for them. So they respond very well. They are very sensitive to their balls. So when you do that, you still create a very lucrative environment and is a level of intimacy. Let's just leave it that way. Is a level of intimacy. So when you're sucking, still be able to touch the balls. Don't leave the balls. They are so important. Yes, it goes a long way. And now you can go deeper to touching between the balls and the anus. You can see there's a gap between the ball and the anus. Just massage gently there. It creates a different sensation altogether. So let's go back to, let me show you just a little bit of how you still suck the rod, okay? And now see, okay, let's talk about see, it is crazy when we go about it the wrong way, like trying to shove the whole rod in our mouth. It doesn't work that way. It's the wrong business because at that way you feel choky and then you feel suffocating. So most time we go about it the wrong way. You just go above the length, or sorry, you go over the length. Don't take too much of it. it gets to a certain, the only place you need it to get to is just your palate, and that is it. It shouldn't go down past your throat, because at that point it becomes choky. You can get to a point where you start vomiting, you start throwing up, because it is now choky. So yes, it's not okay. So when you're doing, just depending on the size of the rod, just don't go too much, go over the length. Okay. And don't forget to mourn. At this point, there's need for you to just mourn a little. This is crazy. It's a different level of intimacy. So when you mourn, you see that it creates a deeper level of intimacy too. So mourning is allowed. Please mourn. Don't be too stiff. Remember, I told you from the beginning of this video, be flexible. So let's do it again. So now the next we're going to talk about is the gag. Yes. So, like I said, shoving the whole rod down to your throat is a wrong business. You cannot afford to do that. So, knowing the way you're supposed to, it should just get to your palate. That's okay. You don't need to exceed. You don't need to exceed. Just do it up, go up and down. Okay. When you do, you go up and down, and then you go back to the tip. Okay. Just suck on it, then go back, and then so with this, I know we are, at least it's a good starting point for us, for beginners out there. If you don't know, it's okay when you don't know these things. So guys, yes, thank you for watching.